Hi, I thought I'd show you this new piece of kit that we've got available for the wastewater market. It's from our partners Pentair, Fairbanks, Neyhouse, and it's a wastewater pump. It's a pump that's specifically been designed to prevent ragging. You know, when all the materials like wet wipes and things like that in wastewater get caught in the impeller and cause blockages. So the main feature of this pump is this new revolutionary impeller technology. It's being called eccentric, and that is, in a nutshell, the key feature. The eccentric impeller, it's got no real leading edge that you can see. There's no sharp points or anything like that, which is normally where wet wipes are caught. A lot of the time, pump manufacturers have tried to reduce the number of vanes, so you end up with a sort of spiral or corkscrew type impeller. But of course, this still has a leading edge, which still does catch wet wipes. So these have got this big rounded shapes. You can see here, now this is normally cast as a whole unit like this. I can only open it up to explain, but these large round surfaces, the impeller of course is spinning this direction, and there's no real place where the wipe can hang or get caught or get stuck. So because of that, the material easily passes through the pump without causing blockages. Now, in the Netherlands, they've already got many of these pumps installed. All the pumps running times added together has already surpassed 15 years without a single blockage or a single event where somebody had to enter the impeller to remove the rags. So really, really positive, really exciting technology. Now that technology doesn't just have the benefit of not needing people to go in to remove rags, but also it means that the pump is operating at a really high efficiency all the time. So normally, once a couple of rags are caught onto an impeller, it's going to start drawing more current. It's going to start vibrating as well because the impeller is becoming imbalanced. And all this vibration adds wear, and all these rags add friction and therefore require more current to operate the pump. So because this can't rag and because the materials carry on moving through the pump, the impeller keeps on being operated at a really high efficiency point. It doesn't have this current draw which starts to go up and up and up as the rags build up, because the rags don't build up. So because of that, they're finding in the Netherlands huge energy savings, sometimes as much as 50% compared to other technologies, simply because the rags aren't hanging around. The other thing is, because it's a balanced impeller, so it's not like a corkscrew, which always is going to want to wobble and vibrate. This is balanced, so it's completely symmetrical. You don't have that wear and tear. The other huge benefit is the wearing is much smaller. So with a large impeller, you've got a huge surface area, which is effectively creating the seal between the bowl and the impeller. That face is constantly being worn. So you're having to adjust the bowl using lots of fixings to always make sure that every time the impeller is being put in the right position. With this impeller, this wearing here is sealed against the wearing in this side. So only a small area where the wear is happening. And also we can adjust this using the hydraulic pressure. So we can insert hydraulic fluid here, and that just ensures that the two materials being pushed against each other the whole time. So ensuring that the whole time you've got really, really efficient operation. These gaps aren't growing, the pump's operating beautifully. Another nice feature is that we can use any type of motor manufacturer that you wish. We've got standard connections on the motors, so yeah, if there's any particular motor preference from any of our customers, that can be accommodated. We can also have skids to allow extraction of the motor. We don't think it's necessary, but we also know that certain standards require that. So really exciting product. Yeah, it's going to be nice to get some installed in the UK, a new product for us, and yeah, it'd be great to hear what you think about it. Thank you for listening, and if you want any more information, come visit us at aquaticcontrol.co.uk